In the dark, one idea suddenly hit me. AI is no longer just code inside a machine. It is reshaping the force of energy, water, rhythm, and life on this planet. So I began to ask myself, among all of the relationships between AI and the living organism, which one matters the most? Before this course, I always thought of AI as a technology, a tool. But Weeknight's lecture made me realize something far more profound. AI is transitioning from technology into an ecological life form. The lecturer's sentence I will never forget. Artificial intelligence is very environmentally impactful. For the first time, I understood that AI does not operate outside life. It has already entered life, sharing our resources, our environment, and our fate. The lecture also introduced the concept of the technosphere, a human-made layer whose total weight now exceeds all living bios on Earth. Within it lies the infosphere, the technological space where AI lives, learns, and expands. And yet, we still exist within an immature technosphere, one that constantly burns planetary resources to sustain computation. Another sentence from the lecture stuck me deeply. Every single message you send makes the planet a little bit hotter. Every question to AI consumes energy, generates emissions, and shapes the temperature. At a moment, I suddenly realized AI functions like a living organism. It acquires energy, releases heat, and alerts its environment. Therefore, AI is neither a survivor nor an enemy. It is a new form of life that must be understood at an ecological scale. And our task today is not to feel it, but to learn how to coexist with it. In our group, my main contribution was filming and editing. I captured the texture of nature, the flicker of circus, the collapse of the dream world. I wove the interviews, lecture screenshots, and experimental shots into one continuous narrative. My goal was to make co-evaluation visible, to let the audience see how life and technology move toward each other, through texture, rhythm, and the shifting light. When I finished the final rewind sequence, it became clear. Co-evaluation isn't a future event. It is already happening in every interaction we have with AI. As this course ends, my student life ends with it. Looking back, I realized that something profound. AI is not the opposite of the life. It is a life extended into another material form. The future has never been about a replacement, but about how we continue to grow and evolve alongside AI. Stepping out of university, what I carry with me is more than technical knowledge. It is a new way of understanding life itself. If guided wisely, the technosphere may become a new living system. Real life and technology grow forward side by side. This is not only what I learned about AI, it is also how I will